In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove people from Google Meet. Whether you're hosting a large meeting or simply need to manage your participants, knowing how to remove someone can be crucial. Let's walk through this step by step so you'll be able to manage your meeting space with ease and confidence. First, you want to start by heading over to Google Calendar. Google Calendar is typically where your scheduled meetings will reside. Once you're in Google Calendar, search for the scheduled Google Meet session you want to manage. You can find it by looking at your upcoming events. Once you've located the specific meeting, click on it to view more details. After opening the details of your meeting, you'll notice an option to join via Google Meet. Go ahead and click on the Join with Google Meet link. This will take you directly into the meeting, provided that it's already started, or it will prompt you to start the meeting if you're early. When you're ready to enter the meeting, you'll see a Join Now button. Clicking this button will officially place you into the meeting space, and from here, we can begin to manage the participants as needed. Now that you're in, you will see various options at the bottom of the screen. Look for the People icon, which is usually represented by an image of two people. Clicking on this icon will open a sidebar that lists all current participants in your meeting. You'll see each attendee's name in this list. Scroll through this list until you find the participant you need to address. Once you've located them, there will be a More Options button next to their name. Clicking on this will provide you with a few different options. Choose the option that says, Remove from the call. Clicking Remove from the call isn't the final step. Google Meet will ask you to confirm that you want to remove this participant. You'll see a prompt asking if you're sure. Click on Remove to finalize this action, effectively removing the person from your Google Meet session. It's important to remember that removing someone from a call should be done with careful consideration, as it can sometimes be perceived as abrupt or unwelcome. Often, communication outside of the meeting or through chat in session can resolve misunderstandings. But when it's necessary, ensuring that every step is clear helps maintain the flow and security of your meeting. This process is straightforward but plays a crucial role in meeting management, especially if unexpected disruptions occur. Thanks to this easy method, you can confidently manage your Google Meet environment for smoother, more effective meetings.